design, road design, road design.
Cars, trucks, SUVs, even diesel tags. Best mechanic on the planet, ain't no need to scratch. Every issue attack like a lion. Got a problem, indeed we'll find it. Pop the hood, we gon' get up inside it. Fix it up, start it up.
What's up, Team Design? We back another Midwest Mobile Academy tour. I'm still up here at my boy's Mode Automotive today. I'm going to be working on a 2007 SRX Cadillac wagon. Getting ready to work on some front hub bearings, brake pads, and rotors. So I'll let you guys know once I get everything assembled. I'll bring you back on the video, let you know what I need to do to get to that point. You can see the old parts through the new parts, and then I'll take you through the installation procedure. Let you guys know what tools you need. Hey, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, hit the comment, bell notification to the channel, all the things that help the algorithm go up. If you want to support the channel, man, we can take Cash App donations. We also can take donations, and we also go support the merch. On the Road to Zion website, Road, the number 2 Zion. Go ahead and get the merch in. Buy the hats, buy the hoodies, buy the shirts, buy all type of different apparel, man. Also follow us on Instagram at road2zion_design. Let's get it, Road to Zion. Many hands make light work. Trying to just bring y'all better content, more different repairs that you guys can do at home, on the go. For all you guys who aspire to be builders, mechanics, bodymen, diesel technicians, welders. Let's get it. Alright, Team Road to Zion, we back. So we got everything disassembled. All hub bearings, shield, brake shield, caliper bracket, calipers hanging. Getting ready, got the rotor off. Alright, there's tools that I need to use to do the job with the 36mm half-inch socket, 3/8 12mm, half-inch swivel 18, torch 27 to get the rotor rolled out, as well as a 19mm to get the lug nuts up. I did have to use this hub bolted to the front of the hub with the 2 lug nuts, and then you hammer on the end right here to help smack the hub out of the actual steering knuckle. That's what I had to do to remove it. I'm about to get ready to put it back in, and I'll bring you guys back to the video. Let's go. Many hands make light work. Alright, Team Road to Zion, we back on the Cadillac SRX. Got the front hub bearing in with the old breastplate. Mirror couple carrying up. Waiting on the rotors and the brake pads to come in. So we back to Road to Zion. They didn't want to get the new rotors and pads that I suggested, so we used the original equipment that they had on there, just replace the hub bearing. Get ready to do the passenger side now. Let's go. Many hands make light work. Many hands make light work. Alright, Team Road to Zion, I'm back. I'm on the passenger side, getting ready to remove the hub assembly. I got the hub graphical tool that I was telling you guys about installed. You see, I slid it over the 2 lower lug nuts and tightened up the bolts. Now I'm just going to hit this with the hammer up and hit this with the hammer down, and it should knock the whole assembly out. Let's get it. As you guys can see, the hub assembly is loose. Make sure you keep the nut installed so that way the it doesn't fall completely out and on your foot. Let's get it. Oh yeah, Team Road to Zion. I also want to mention, man, how crusty it is in here once you remove the old part. So just get you a Scotch-Brite red or green, some brake cleaner, spray it down and just give it a little good cleaning before you stick the new bearing in there. Let's go.